Imagine yourself in this Jeep 2012 Wrangler Unlimited Sport. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, paired with a sporty manual transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are a set of 535 feet Bigfoot AT tires, Fox 2.0 shocks with extended reservoirs, Fox 2.0 stabilizer shock, Chrysler 2.5 feet max travel full lift kit, hardtop custom-made all-steel full-length high-clearance running board/rock rails. 16 feet x 7.0 feet luxury-styled steel wheels, 3.21 rear axle ratio, 4-wheel disc brakes, 6 speakers, ABS brakes, AM/FM radio, brake assist and CD player. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.